Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to watch today's video. So today in the menu is stew. Nigerians always like stew, tomato stew to pair in with their rice, especially white rice, and this is always enjoyed, especially on Sundays. Let me know in the comment section, are you still the one that enjoy white and rice stew on Sunday here? Yes, me, I do. So let me show you how I prepare this glassy stew with a special kind of syrup. Here for the beef, I will be using some spices here. I have thyme, curry, nutmeg, white pepper, seasoning cubes, and salt. Also, I'll be leaving in the link the video where I got the syrup I used for cooking this meat. In fact, this stew was authentically made. Yes. So if you're here for the first time, I just want to use this avenue to tell you thank you for coming. You are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell notification to receive notification each time I upload a new video. And please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Alright, so here I'll be adding in the ingredients. I am going in with a teaspoon of each of the ingredients. So teaspoon is 2 of this measurement because this is quarter spoon. And you're not seeing ginger, garlic, and pepper here because that is the special kind of syrup that I told you I'll be using for this beef cooking. I will not be adding water. I will just use only the syrup. So how did I come about with this syrup? Watch the video that I will leave in the description box and you will find out. And here comes the syrup. I'll just go ahead and pour it in there and cook this meat with the syrup, and this gave it a special kind of taste. Yes, because the syrup infused all of the juice inside the beef. So I will just go ahead and stir them very well to combine and set it up and allow it to cook. Right now the meat is fully cooked. Yes, you can see the way it's looking, and believe me, the taste, as I said earlier, I will keep praising the taste of this thing because we share it when it is good. All right, in the pot here, I'll be pouring in some oil. I'm using light olive oil. And next, I'll go ahead to add onion and habanero pepper. I always add habanero pepper in the oil so that it will give it the oil, the heat. That is that kind of a special taste. Yes, because believe me, if you have the right kind of pepper, it gives very good taste to your stew. Yeah, and this does not mean that you have eaten very spicy or it is unbearable when you're eating this stew. No, please add what you can be able to tolerate. So next I added curry and the thyme, and I added the tomato paste. This I will fry it for the next 20 minutes. Please fry it 20 minutes because we want to remove that staggy taste. But if you are using a very nice tomato, this tomato, you don't need to fry it more than 15 minutes. Yeah, you know the name of them and you know which one is slappy and the one that is not. So after 15 minutes thereabout, I'll go ahead and add my fresh tomato. This fresh tomato was blended and cooked down, and the water, everything is out, you can see it. So just stir it after you have added it, cover it, leave it on low heat or medium heat depending. With this pot I can even leave it on high heat and waka go, it will not burn, nothing will happen. All right, so after stirring it, cover it and leave it to fry. Once you see the oil is so glassy on top of it, this stew is as good as well fried, just like this. Did you see that the oil is all on top of it? But it is not really cool because the oil don't have to be dull, it have to be sharp, it have to be glassy. When you're looking at it, the oil is so glassy, so you still have some time to fry. Now I'll go ahead and add the syrup juice. Yeah, this is it. There's no water in it. Yes, in this stew, absolutely there was no water. Cover it and allow it to cook and allow it to boil. The meat is already grilling in the oven. I forgot to tell you that, in the air fryer. I'll go ahead and add the seasoning cubes because I added 2 earlier, 2 plus yeah, let me say 3. I added 3 before. So I'm just going ahead to add some ingredients that is needed. I'm adding paprika as well and little salt. Stir it. Please, it's very nice whenever you are cooking to test your food almost at the end of it to know what is still lacking, because if you want to add all of them once, you may end up over salting your meal and you won't like. So the green milk is ready. I'll just go ahead and gently drop them inside the stew, and this stew is as good as ready. And as I said before earlier in this video, in the intro, I used to be the type that like eating rice and stew on Sunday. Do you know I lost that habit, or should I say ritual? I lost it at the point I say, why is it that every time, especially on Sunday, I will be worrying, doing mathematics, what are we going to have today? Because I am going to take back those ritual. Eating rice on Sunday in my house now is now habitual, because I'll make stew and I'll add it to my white rice. We'll eat and enjoy on Sunday. I've returned it, or I'll bring it back. So let me know, did you lose it? Are you still using that Sunday opportunity to enjoy your white rice and stew? It's true, we eat rice every day. We eat rice anytime we want, but Sunday especially. I have taken it back. So I went ahead and add some spring onions. I had it laying there in the freezer, in the fridge rather, and I decided to add it in the stew. There's nothing special here. If you don't have it, if you want, you can add fresh curry to this stew. And this stew was everything. When I mean everything, this stew was giving. It came out very nice. And look at those oil. You can take it away. Of course, I took mine away. I don't like excess oil in my stew. To take it away and use it and cook other things like beans and so on. So it is cooked and the white rice is ready. The next thing is to serve them and enjoy them with the stew. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate, and I would love to see you in my next video. Don't forget to drop that thumbs up, share this video if you can. Yes, thank you so much. I see all you that share the video and I so much appreciate it.